Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be doing a soft natural eye look, hopefully. You know how I start that every time, but one of these times I'm going to get it. And we're going to be using my very favorite palette. I finally repurchased it because I gave it away. Tartelette in Bloom. So let me open it. So this is what it looks like, and we're just going to be using, I don't know what colors, some soft natural colors. We're going to start off with this lightest color here, and this, if I had to go to work every day, this would be my look that I would pick. This would be the palette I would pick, and this would be the look that I would do every day, just so you know. So let's get started. Let's get started with that lightest color. Oh, let's get started with our Essence Eye Base first. Just want this to cancel out the rest of that purple that my concealer didn't cancel out. So there we go with that. Now let's go in with that color just to set that. This is that lightest color that I showed you. Okay, now for the crease, let's go into, these have names. That first one was called Charmer, and now we are going to go into the one right next to it, which is Jet Setter, right here. And that's what I'm going to put in my crease. And I'm just windshield wiper and circles. This is kind of a cool tone brown. I'm just going to build it up a little bit, not too much. And of course, even though we're doing a natural, there will be some shimmer because I love shimmer. It's a natural shimmer though. And if you guys notice that my eyebrows are looking a little shabby, it's because I'm trying to let them grow out some so I can reshape them. They've gotten kind of thin, short, and I'm using that grande brow to try and get them to grow in here more. Well, everywhere more. But I want to not pluck them too much while I'm using it so that I'm not pulling out what's growing in. But I will pluck some of them. They won't become super shaggy because they'd be like everywhere. Okay, for the next color, for my lid color, I think I'm going to go into, I don't know why they don't put these in a different color. Funny Girl. This is where we get the shimmer. Right here. This is my favorite color of all colors in all palettes. This is it. All right, so it's not showing up very much, even though I know it does. We're gonna spray it. I'm using my MAC Fix Plus setting spray, but you can use any setting spray. Isn't it beautiful? It's so soft and natural, and I'm going to use this color right here for my liner. It is Activist. Wait a minute, there's Smoke Shadow too. But I think I'm going to use Activist. It's like a dark brown. It's this one right here. This one is Smoke Shadow, but I think it's gray. So I am going to use the dark brown one. Even though I would like black because I'm wearing a black shirt. But we're going with the palette. So I'm going to get some of this on my brush. I see fuzzies on my brush. When I do this, I try to get way down between the lashes. I like this color. It's really dark brown. It's almost black. Got some fallout from it though. I like it though. I like it. It looks good. I feel like this looks quick too. I mean, it doesn't seem like it right now when I'm doing my liner. But as a rule, I do think it's a quick look. Especially if you do it every day. Because you always get faster at things when you do them repeatedly. Practice. I think I went too far on that one. That's what I like about using eyeshadow. You can just fix it. Okay. And now to give it a little more lift. I don't know about this one. I think I need to do some lifting here. So I'm going down on the bottom. I'm connecting the bottom to the top and putting just the slightest bit on the outer corner of the bottom. Just to give it a little more lift. I'm feeling a little droopy. Okay, we're going to quit while we're ahead with that. Now I'm going to do, let's see, I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to use my, what is this called? Cabral from Benefit. Oops, forgot what I was doing. Got a wild brush hair in there. Be glad when my brows grow in so that it's not so much work. To sculpt them out. Oh, that's good enough for that one. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing, but you can see a little. And basically I'm just following the brows that are there and then extending past to where I think they should be, but they're not. Hopefully someday they will be. Hopefully someday soon. This stuff's supposed to work in 45 days because it costs a lot and you get 45 days worth, so hopefully it's worked by then. That needs to come in further. That's good enough. Okay. I'm gonna go off camera, do my lashes. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I finished my eyes. I did my super technique for getting your lashes to look as long as you possibly can get them to look. You know, without putting lashes or extensions on. This is my trick. And I know you saw it on Friday if you watch my videos. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do you like this natural look? You don't have to make the liner as bold as I did, but I just love, love, love this palette so much. And this, like I said, this is what I would wear every day if I had to go to work every day and put on makeup. But my job is putting on makeup, so I can't put the same thing on every day. You guys get pretty bored with that, huh? But I am going to use this palette a few more times for you guys. Different colors. Even though this is my favorite, I'm pretty sure. We'll see, but I'm pretty sure. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!